Join us today at Hope Market. 4 chefs, 30 minutes, and $10. What will they choose for their final dishes? We Share Hope is a nonprofit organization supporting Rhode Islanders who face food insecurity. Our mission is to rescue food and distribute it to communities in need. Our Hope on the Road program delivers donations to nonprofit groups, and our Hope Market program provides budget-friendly grocery items to anyone looking to stretch their budget. This was the home of Chopped on a Budget. My name is Joanna Corcoran. I'm the Executive Director of We Share Hope, and we are so excited to host our first annual culinary cooking competition in partnership with the Genesis Center and We Share Hope here today at Hope Market. Hope Market is a budget-friendly marketplace open to anybody and everybody who needs to find ways to stretch their dollars. You can come in here and experience all of our rescued food at a fraction of the cost. I'm very, very excited to welcome our first contestant here today, Welby. Welby comes to us from the Genesis Center, and he's a graduate of the program. Welby, how are you feeling today?
I'm excited and a little nervous.
A little bit nervous? You can't tell. You seem like you've got it all covered. So now Welby owns his own food truck called the Trap Box. So something tells me that he says that he's nervous, but he's used to working under pressure. Is that true?
Yes, very used to working under pressure, yes.
Okay, well, I think that's going to come in handy today. Do you have any strategies or any initial plans for how you're going to attack this big challenge?
I just want to keep it fresh and just have fun with it, you know? And I think that's my strategy, just keep it fresh and have fun.
Fresh and fun? Sounds good to us. Okay, Welby, are you ready to start?
I'm ready to go.
Okay, we're going to start timing you, and go.
Let's see.
We now have our second competitor, Loudy, who's also a graduate of the Genesis Center. Loudy is the mom of 4 children. Loudy, do you think being a mom of 4 children and having to cook for all of those children is going to come in handy with your decision today?
Oh my God, no way. Cooking every day, and sometimes they don't like what you make. To make something else, it's not easy at all.
Well, there's lots of items to pick from here at Hope Market, so hopefully you'll be able to find something that will appeal to everybody. Do you have any strategy for today? Anything that you're thinking you're going to go straight toward?
Oh, I'm thinking about a stir fry. Oh, I'll find some vegetable.
Okay, stir fry sounds pretty good to me. I'm going to start my timer, Loudy, and when I say go, you're going to grab this cart and hit the market. On your mark, get set, go! Contestant number 3 is here and ready to go. This is Dalal and Reneen, her daughter, who will be shopping with her today. Dalal and Reneen are here from Syria, and Dalal has already come dressed like a chef, so I think she means business. Are you excited today, Dalal?
Too much. I'm excited, yeah.
Wonderful, we're glad to hear that. Do you have any strategies for going into this so that you can win this thing?
Yeah, I look to chicken, maybe pasta, maybe rice, I don't know. Yeah, sure.
Chicken, pasta, rice? Those are all my favorite staples, I can tell you that right now. Are you ready, Dalal? Yeah. Okay, on your mark, get set, go! Chef G is with us today. Hi, Chef G.
Hey, what's up? How we doing today?
All right, and I see Chef G brought his own cheering section. Hi, guys. Are you excited for your dad?
Yay!
Awesome. Okay, Chef G, going into this, I know you're used to working under pressure. Do you have any strategy for how you're going to win this competition today?
Well, you know, I'm gonna press the NOS button on my wheelchair, and I'm gonna move it a lot quicker than what it usually does. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna put 2 and 2 together and come up with 4. Make sure I come up with a big number for this game here.
Well, I hope that 2 and 2 that equals 4 is delicious, because I have a feeling it will be. Best of luck to you. And I'm going to start your timer. All right. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
On your mark, get set, go. Okay, G, how'd you do?
I did what I could do. You know, hopefully I'm doing better when I cook it. You know, I mean that's the best part of it. Am I right?
Well, it is a challenge, and that's what you're here to do. Now, something tells me you're very used to improvising.
If you made it easy, there's no sense in playing the game, right?
Absolutely, and we love how you play that game. Good luck tomorrow. We can't wait to see what you do. Have a great one.
You too. Thank you guys for having me.
Thank you. Okay, Dalal, I think you hold the record. That was 3 minutes and 22 seconds.
I'm so excited to cook to Genesis Center, and
We're so happy that you're going to be heading back to the Genesis Center where you started your culinary journey, and I know that we're excited to get you back in that kitchen. How was it for you?
Oh, a little bit fun, even though I don't find everything that I had in my mind, but I'll work with what I have.
That sounds great. Sometimes we have our own guests that come in and are looking for something in particular and need to improvise a little bit, so I'm sure they're going to love to see how you did that as well.
Yes, it will be tasty and healthy because this is something I used to make, so I believe I'm going to make it great.
Great, something you used to make, you're reprising an old favorite. I love it. Sounds great. Good luck. Welby, first of all, 5 minutes and 2 seconds is all it took you to pick those ingredients in the bag.
That was very, very fast.
Was it fun or hard for you?
No, it was fun. I kind of had a game plan. Like I said, I want to keep it fresh and fun and, make sure that I have the right ingredients.
Okay, great. So real quick, if you could sum up what's in that bag and what you're thinking of doing for the judges with one word, what would it be?
Barbecue.
Barbecue. Sounds good to me. Okay, good luck, Welby. We'll see you in the second part of the competition.
Thank you.